for the 10th anniversary for Luxcior Magazine.
Hey, we're here at Lamborghini Houston, Luxcior Magazine. Cheers.
Here to celebrate the 10 years of Luxcior Magazine, okay? And everybody that supported Martin throughout the years is here celebrating his success.
Nice.
You, me, and Imperial TV.
So this is the Performante, as you see. So this is supposed to be just like mine, except the carbon fiber. Why? Carbon fiber is about $30,000 additional to the cost of this vehicle, but at Imperial, at Auto Styling, we have a very special PPF that is exactly like carbon fiber. And since my vehicle is already black, all I have to do is just add that PPF, because I have to PPF the whole vehicle regardless. So instead of putting regular PPF on the flares, because we have the same flares by the way, all I have to do is add that PPF and then it'll be carbon fiber. Wait till you see. Check it out. How's your daughter?
She's in Austin, UT.
Oh, I have 3 to go. I remember him and I remember his daughter since she was little. Now she's in UT in Austin. Props to you.
Thank you, brother.
I don't know how I'm gonna handle that. Oh my god. So I have 3 daughters.
3 to go, you.
So I met a legend and an entrepreneur that discovered his own dreams on his own. Meet the man, the legend himself. So, I don't have to go to Colorado to get my shit.
Oh, no,
but
sir.
when I do, I just go to Houston and do this guy's business. Tell me more about your business.
So, we're an infusion extraction and a co-packing company. We are America's first and only mass hash distribution or production company, and the only infusion company of Delta 8 products that does water-soluble powder, brownies, anything like that, those products. Shit, you kind of put me on the spot here.
Hey, it's good. I'm trying to blow you up. It makes you actually more.
Hey, I'm not a movie star, you know.
Oh, yeah, I was a movie star. Everybody's a movie star right here. Martin, congratulations on your 10th anniversary, the best luxury magazine in Houston. Hey man, you dedicated yourself so far. Me, I was like, oh my god, how is this guy making it? But you pushed through it. I've been thinking about this for the past 15 years. And he kept on pushing through 15 years, and he's still up high. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
You did so much great job, man. Really. I look at you as an inspiration, number 1. Number 2, you have the same exact satellite for the universe. Except mine have a little bit more bars.
It is thanks to friends like you.
Thank you, man.
That we are so successful.
Thank you.
It's great having the magazine and being part of your life and your incredible Imperial but loyalty.
Thank you. I am loyal. The reason why I'm loyal is because every day when I wake up, I'm like, oh my god, who am I gonna impress? Let me impress the people that look out for me, and let me impress the people that actually should be like me too. And this man right here, he has put me through so many years, pushing me up to make me a better person I am today. And thank you so much for being the person in my life. My man,
thank you.
Congratulations. 10 years, that's badass. I watched him 5 years before the 10 years, and here we go. Now we officially own the 10th year. Remember, it was 5 years. Now it's 10 years. Amazing, man. Great job.
Thank you.
Great job, my man.